Hello everybody. It's a long time since I put the camera in my helmet. I was riding, but I just didn't feel like making any videos. But now I did this quite challenging forest road that after all the rain there's like big holes, and I'm glad I made it here. But now look in the front of me, I have to make it through this, so let's do it. Wasn't too bad. Quite shallow. Yeah, I was worried that I'll have to go back, turn around and go back if the water was so deep. But it wasn't bad at all. So I am riding in the North Georgia once again. I love this area. And I will be camping, meeting some friends. It's my friend's birthday today, so I'll just have a campfire and drink some beer and have a good time. Uh-oh, my glove is gone. So that's the plan for the weekend. And of course do some riding tomorrow. Alright, now I need to figure out my way to a campsite. I am not sure which way I should go. Very nice. Okay, well, it was a couple months since my last video. What happened since then? My bike had 24,000 miles service. They adjusted the valves, and the bike runs like a new. Yeah, it's great. But also, what I want to talk about, my friend, he's got the exactly same F800GS with about 24,000 miles in it, and he was riding on the interstate, and suddenly his engine started making weird noises and shut down on him, and so he called BMW assistance. They towed his bike to a dealership, and first they said it's probably a clutch, you know, no big deal, we'll fix it. But then they opened the engine, and they're like, no, it's not clutch. There is, on the timing chain, there is hydraulic tensioner inside the engine, and the hydraulics failed, and the timing chain slipped, you know, all the teeth were rounded out, and the chain slipped. So they called the BMW, whoever, if they get permission to take the engine apart, see what's up. The BMW mechanic, whatever, came in and said, you know, they don't need to take the whole engine, just open the head and see if the valves meet with the pistons, and if they did, they will replace the whole engine. And then obviously, you know, in the bottom of the engine, the shaft and all that could be pretty in bad shape too. So he's waiting for, my friend is waiting for whatever they will tell him, and he may possibly get a new engine. But That's quite scary. 24,000 miles, and you know, the warranty is for 36,000 miles. He's got 24,000 on the bike, and now if they replace the engine, he'll have only 12,000 miles left on the warranty, and after that, that's it. Well, it kind of makes sense that they don't extend warranty on the whole bike, but maybe they should have given him more just on the engine itself. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. It got me thinking about how good is the engine of the 800. You know, if it will last 100, 150,000 miles. I don't know. It's a new engine. Who knows? And you know, if something like that happened to me after warranty, I can afford to buy a new engine for freaking $10,000. So it's something to think about, and you know, I was thinking maybe trade it in, get the 1200GS with the boxer engine. You know, the engine is around forever. It should be bulletproof, but at the same time, I like this bike because it's lighter and much better for off-roading, but the 1200 will be great for touring, so I'm not sure. So I'll see. I'll make another video when I find out if they are going to replace the engine or what. So tune back and check my videos. You guys take care. I'm gonna take the camera out right here.